The anti-Müllerian hormone is produced by the preantral and antral follicles of the ovary. The significance of this is that anti-Müllerian hormone values do not vary with the menstrual cycle. Thus, the blood analysis used to evaluate anti-Müllerian hormone levels can be performed any day of the cycle without influencing the outcomes. It is also unnecessary to fast for the determination of anti-Müllerian hormone concentration. However, it should be noted that, especially before assisted reproduction treatment, other hormones are also taken into consideration and assessed, such as FSH and estradiol, both of which must be analyzed under baseline conditions. For all these reasons, it is more practical and convenient to measure the anti-Müllerian hormone together with these other hormones in a single blood test at baseline conditions. These are the first days of the menstrual cycle, between 3 and 5 days after the onset of menstruation.